Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl and I love decorating with style on a budget, and I love to try to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. And if you are into decorating your home with style but all on a budget, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I would so love to have you. To all my returning friends and family members, I want to thank you so much for all your support this year. I have loved all of the wonderful comments and just your overall general support of my channel and the content that I created for 2022. Sorry guys, I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, your girl got another cold. But she's getting over it slowly but surely. And I want to thank you guys so much for all your love and support. It is greatly appreciated. I appreciate you coming back to my channel every time I upload a video and watching and leaving comments and engaging. It's all about creating a virtual family, and you guys have become my virtual family. I love talking with you. I hope you continue to stick with me in 2023. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun and exciting ideas for 2023. Again, all on a budget. So if you are looking for budget decorating ideas, this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, my friends. Now let's get started decorating our entryway for winter. All right, so it's right after Christmas and I've taken down all of the Christmas decor here in the entryway. We're going to give the console table a good clean and wipe down, and then we're going to come back and figure out what we're going to do for winter. I want to make it simple but inviting for my guests when they come in. I love these lamps, so we're going to leave them here. Okay, so now that the console table is clean, let's start with some, let's say maybe 3 or 4 different looks. Okay, so when styling the entryway, I think one of the things that's important to have is a nice candle. This one I picked up from Home Goods. It was $16.99. I love the green glass with a gold brassy tone. Perfect for winter. So we're going to use that. Also need to have some coffee table books. So I've brought back out my Tom Ford book. We're going to set it here. And then I also have these books with our signature colors. This one's black, this one's gray, but still falls in our color palette. So we're going to use these coffee table books. I think I'll scoop this down, and I want to bring in, if you can't see me, okay, so I want to bring in some faux greenery. So it's still winter, and what better to use for greenery than evergreens. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we have this vase that I picked up from Target, or not Target, from Home Goods. I love the fluted detail. This was $25. If you didn't know, Home Goods always marks their pricing with a pencil. So if you ever wanted to know what something costs and you've removed the sticker, just check the bottom and you should see a penciled in price. But we're going to use this. I like the fluted look. And then I love these florals that we picked up from Kirkland's earlier in the year, this greenery. So we're going to use that, and I try to never cut my stems because you never know how long you're going to need something to be. So since this vase is tall, I bent these stems, so I'm going to straighten them all back out. And these we used in the living room for winter. So now we're going to bring them here in the entryway. And you know how I style my florals or greenery. I go north, south, east, and west. And so I like that. And then we have our candle here. And very simple look, but this is look number one. So let's take a closer look. Guys, so here is our first look, and I love the simplicity of this look. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now on to style number two. All right guys, so for style number two, we are going to switch out the greenery, and I am going to use this piece of greenery that I picked up 2 or 3 years ago. It was an after Christmas clearance find. Actually, I still have this sticker on it. It was $24.99, and I believe I picked this up for 70% off. So I had to go ahead and pick it up. So we're going to use that. We're going to take away our real candle, and we're going to use these faux candles, which are really, really pretty, and I picked these up from Amazon. And I don't remember the price, but I will leave it on the screen. So let's go ahead and make those changes and see how that looks. So we're going to use this, and we're going to set this over here. And we're going to leave our same coffee table books, but we're going to set our candles here. And let's turn them on for ambiance. And as you can see, they flicker. Is this battery dead? No, my daughter has stolen the batteries. Hold on just a second. Okay, so we got our other battery, and this is our second look. Very simplistic, but for winter, that is the look I am going for. I don't want anything too over the top, and I think this is perfect. I love the ambiance that the candlelight is given. Even though the candles are faux, they do look real. So I'm loving this look. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now on to style number three. All right, for look number three, you can't see me. Okay, so for look number 3, it is winter and I have these sculptural pieces that I picked up from, oh, where did I get you? Ashley's Home Store. And these are Uttermost pieces and I just love the look of them. This is marble on a crystal base. So I think what I'm going to do is swap out the greenery and we're going to use these instead. And there were 3 pieces in the set and I want to say they were like $199. There are a lot of that. I know it's a little pricey, but because we're dealing with marble and crystal and the size, I think it was worth that price. Although they're a lot more expensive now, and I did go ahead and pick them up. So we have those, but I think I really want to have the greenery. So hold on. All right, so I'm gonna bring back in this greenery because I love the tall vase. So we're going to bring it back. And then I think maybe we'll get rid of one of these coffee table books and add our Uttermost pieces on the black so that they pop like so. And then maybe we can still have one of the candles and we'll see how that looks. So here is our third and final look. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I love the Uttermost pieces here. I think they pair perfectly with the black and white and the aesthetic that I am going for. And the greenery here, absolutely love it. I'm not so sure about the candle. I think, let me try the other candle. Okay, I think I like the larger candle better. The scale was off on the smaller candle, but I think the larger candle looks a lot better here and it smells divine. And when your guests come in, you want them to be enveloped in a warm, loving embrace as they come into your home. Then a warm and fragrant home that smells really, really nice. So I think this is the final look and this is the one that we are going to go with. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know of the 3 which you like best. Did you like the Entryway styling number 1 or number 2 or the final look number 3? My vote is number 3. So guys, again, thank you so much for all your love and support for 2022. I am looking forward to 2023 and all it has to bring. If you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. What are your plans for 2023? Do you make a New Year's resolution? Or do you just set goals for the year? Not really resolutions, but something you can take day by day, one thing at a time, because normally I make a New Year's resolution, and one of them is to exercise every year, and I start off strong and I fall off. So this year, we're not going to do that. We're not making a New Year's resolution, but we are going to commit to at least 30 minutes of exercise a day. And we can all do 30 minutes of exercise a day, right? So that is my goal for 2023. And I think once I develop that habit, then it will evolve and I will add more things to the regimen. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know, do you make a resolution? If so, what is your New Year's resolution this year? And if you don't make a resolution, what goals are you setting for yourself in 2023? Mine is also to be more intentional with things I purchase and buy and bring into the home. I'm not going to be spending a lot of money on home decor like I have in the past. As I said, that leads to clutter, and who wants a cluttered home? Not me. So for spring, that is another one of my goals, is to declutter. So it's going to be a task, guys. You guys know my channel is all about home decor and thrifting, and so I have collected a lot of things over the years, and yeah, it's time to purge. The basement needs a good purge. So I will maybe be doing some videos about spring cleaning and storage and organization. So if you would love to see those type of videos, leave me a comment down below and let me know. And this will be my last video of the year, so I hope to see you in 2023. Happy New Year.